Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Adobe Illustrator. So Illustrator means drawing, okay, and Adobe Illustrator have vector graphics, okay, and other side there is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop have raster graphics. Today we are going to learn about Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Click on Adobe Illustrator. This is the home page of Adobe Illustrator. Now you have to click on this new button. Click on it. Now this page will be appear, and this page is asking about width, height of your page that you are creating in Adobe Illustrator. So whenever you are creating your page, you have to put the number 1280 about width and height 1200 height, okay, and we have to select pixels, okay, pixels. Okay, now there are two modes of colors, okay, so there is RGB color mode and CMYK color mode. So RGB stands for red, green and blue, and CMYK color stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Okay, so whenever you are using Adobe Illustrator, you have to select RGB color, okay, and CMYK color is mostly used in printers. Okay, so select on it, click on it. Okay, now press this create button. Your page will be created. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what is stroke mean. You can see here stroke. So stroke mean border. Okay, so you have to right click on this rectangle, okay, this is square. Okay, now whenever you are creating your rectangle, the shortcut of rectangle is M and the shortcut of circle is L. Okay, so first of all I'm going to tell you what is stroke mean, and for creating your shape, so you have to press shift plus alt and drag your mouse by clicking, sorry, yeah, like this. Now this is the colors. These are the colors which we fill in the elements or in squares or in designs. Okay, so I want my favorite color yellow, and now come to the stroke means border. Okay, so I want green color in borders. Okay, so when these number will increase, from you are clicking these this increasing button arrow, so the borders will be thick, and when you are clicking on this down decreasing button, so your border will be thin. Okay, so now we are going to draw orange. So first of all you have to fill the color black, and stroke also black. Okay, now first of all I'm going to tell you what is selection tool mean, and what is the use of direct selection tool. So the shortcut of direct selection tool is A, and the shortcut of selection tool is V. So selection tool is used to resize or move any element or shape to any place. Okay, and this direct selection tool is used to cut or delete any point or change the shape. Okay, this tool. Okay, so whenever you are creating your shape, you have to select selection tool, because this tool is used for resizing. So first of all you have to right click on it and select the circle, and press shift plus alt to draw. Now come to our work. So now we are going to draw an orange. So click on this colors group. Now orange color is not here. Okay, so you have to click on this orange. Okay, now double click on it. Now you can see here is orange color, like do this. Now put this here. Now like this. Now press the OK button. You can see that our circle is filled with orange color. Okay, so now I'm going to fill the orange color in borders, means in a stroke. Okay, so double click on it, and again you can see here orange color. Okay, okay, now we're going to use an electric. Okay, so to create, I'm going to click on this way. Okay, or second circle, in Microsoft, we're going to draw a circle and fill the color white. Okay, also here. Okay, now resize it and put this color. Sorry, one minute. Yeah, now put this here. Yep, like this. Okay, stroke में भी हमें orange color करना है. Okay, so click on it. Now double click on it. This is this. Okay, so now we are going to take colors from Google. So you have to search on Google orange color mode in RGB mode. Okay, so this is the screenshot, no, image which I save. So first of all, resize it. Now you can pick the color from this. Now I'm going to tell you a magic. Okay, so now you have to do that. You have to first of all select this eyedropper tool and select this orange color. Okay, this orange color. Okay, now you have to click on this gradient tool. The shortcut of this is G, and the shortcut of eyedropper is I. Okay, so double click on it. Now first of all, double click on this page and now select in this number and then copy it. Okay, now double click on gradient tool and now you have to fill this here. Okay, no, like this. Okay, so now delete this and paste the select copied number. Okay, now do like this और इसको बनाना है ताकि ऑन चलने दे. सो ऐसा क्या आपको हम आपको करना है कि अब आपको डाटा है. ओके, अब आप ये कर सकते हैं कि हमारे पास ये बड़ा है तो सही बना है. हमारे पास ये बड़ा है और इसमें सो select on it and now double click on this again, copy code, copy, press the open. Now you're going to do double click on it. Okay, now here. Okay, now double click on it, double click on one click. Okay, so now you're going to select the yellow color like this and do this like this. Yeah, like now you have to set this. Okay, and this is running please for multicolors. Okay, to fill multicolors in your shape. So this is ready now. Like this you also have to do. Okay, yeah, like this. Now we are going to first of all right click on this and select the circle. Now go shift plus ultra and drag your mouse by clicking. Okay, like this. Now you have to put this here. Okay, like this. Yeah, now again we are going to use a trick. So shift plus alters and now you have to select the rectangle. Okay, now you have to fill the rectangle and resize and make it too much small and thin. Yeah. Okay, now you can see the circle is become half. Now again we are going to select this. Okay, now we are going to press Ctrl C. Ctrl C means copy, and now after Ctrl C you have to press Ctrl F. Ctrl F means copy in front. So now you can see our copy icon is in front. Okay, now again Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Now again rotate it to make the orange in pieces. So again Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Rotate it again. Okay. Yeah, like it. So now I'm going to draw leaves from rectangle. Okay, so shift plus filter and draw it. Yeah, and fill the color green in it. Fill the color green. So green color. Now first of all resize it and make it medium size. Okay, now for multi selection you have to click on shift, okay, and move your mouse and click the points. Okay, so first of all you have to click the this corner's point, but you have to press click because we are going to do multi selection. So click on it and click on it also. Okay, now drag your mouse to opposite point like this. See, our leaf is drawn. Okay, now again select the rectangle, press shift plus filter, resize it, and again multi selection, so shift plus mouse click and drag your mouse in the opposite side and rotate it like this. Yeah, see, our orange is drawn. So this is for today. I have told you about the tools and about the Adobe Illustrator, give the information about Adobe Illustrator, and tell you how to make or draw a design or any picture or any shape or any fruit or any animal. Okay, so today I told you how to draw an orange in Adobe Illustrator.